Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix error code 277 channel production. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you open Play Store and search here Roblox. Already you can see that your Roblox apps is update. Okay, go back your home and tap and hold on your Roblox application. Tap on this icon and scroll down. You can see that storage. Tap on storage. Already you can see that clear data and clear cache, and tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Go back to your home and now open your Roblox application and log in your account. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.